In this video, I'll talk about some ways that helped me stop procrastinating and that led me to getting better grades and increasing my productivity. So one way that helped me a lot was to create long-term and short-term goals throughout the semester. Firstly, it helped me to prevent procrastinating throughout the semester and also kept me motivated and disciplined to finish the semester strong. Personally, for me, long-term goals should be written at the start of the semester. So for example, you could say that you want to get an A in a certain class or to do really well on a graduate school exam. And short-term goals should be written throughout the semester. So for example, you could say that you want to do really well on a quiz or that you want to complete a homework assignment. And writing these long-term and short-term goals are key in order to not procrastinate as much throughout the semester. Alright, so the second tip is to make sure you write manageable tasks throughout the day. So I usually use an agenda and a calendar as well. And Google Calendar is my personal favorite type of calendar app. And the reason for this is because you can color code different type of events, and also you can type in your tasks for that day. And you want to make sure you have a list of tasks that you need to do so you can have a plan attack for the day, and this will definitely lead you to not procrastinate as much. And also what I try to do is to break assignments, especially large assignments, into smaller chunks. And I usually do this by week instead of daily so that you basically give yourself less work and you can have more time to do other stuff that you like to enjoy. Alright, so my third tip of not procrastinate as much is to study in intervals. And this could be any type of interval that you want to do. So this could be like 90 minutes and a 20-minute break, or 50 minutes, a 10-minute break, or 25 minutes and a 5-minute break. Just do whatever works for you so that you can increase your productivity and do well in your classes. So personally, my favorite interval is 25 minutes and a 5-minute break, which is also called the Pomodoro method. And a shortness is basically taking 25 minutes to do your work without any distraction and then take a 5-minute break, and you do this 4 times in a row, followed by a longer break of usually 15 minutes. And I feel like studying a timer and doing it in an interval is much better, especially when your phone is away, and it actually forces me to do work in that little time constraint that you have to do your work. Alright, so my fourth tip is to make sure you put your phone away whether you're doing your work. I know this seems pretty obvious, but when I put my phone away while I'm doing my work, it definitely helps me to get even more work done. You can also disable the notifications that you get in your phone as well so that you don't have that urge to check your phone while you do your work in the time constraint that you gave using a time interval. And of course, it's okay to look at your phone, but you should only do so when you're either done with that time interval or when you're done studying for that period of time that you set out. But don't check your phone to the point that it reduces your productivity. And my last tip to prevent procrastination is to install a block-in restriction app. So what I used during my freshman year was Cold Turkey. And Cold Turkey pretty much enables you to block certain sites for a period of time so that you're not able to access the websites. But obviously, if there's any other restriction sites that you like, use those. But I just personally like Cold Turkey a lot. And I'll leave a description down below if you want to download the restriction app. And this is really good for those people who look at the internet a lot while they're on their laptop. So I definitely highly recommend you getting this app if you do that. And this helped me a lot during my freshman year, but I decided to stop using it throughout my sophomore year and junior year just because I was able to increase my discipline to do my work and not procrastinate as much. Make sure to give this video a like so that you can help with the YouTube algorithm in pushing this video out. And also leave a comment below of what tips you like best, or leave a comment down below on what tips help you that I didn't mention in this video. I'll see you guys next time, and take care.